Cities consume more than 2/3 of global energy and produce over 70% of CO2 emissions, and most of it comes from buildings that already exist. To reach net zero goals, cities must act now, by retrofitting, not rebuilding. Retrofitting transforms aging infrastructure into smart, energy-efficient assets that reduce emissions, cut costs, and boost resilience. From advanced HVAC systems to intelligent lighting and renewable integration, retrofitting is the blueprint for sustainable urban futures. The future of cities isn't about what we build new, it's about how we transform what already exists. ECMC, engineering the future sustainably.